Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining in. Welcome to another episode of Merged by Amazon Public School. Today, I would like to talk to you about an issue that's been bothering everyone, and that's the Merged by Amazon recent update to their policy. And to be honest, there is not much to be confused about or not understand. This was expected. Actually, the update is nothing but a reinforcement of or an already existing policy. It seems like Mersh has been closing their eyes on this issue for a long time, and people figured, well, if there is no smoke, then there is probably no fire. Well, next time, don't believe what everyone else say, and just go by the terms and conditions, and you'll feel safer. To give you guys a little perspective of what's going on, Mersh has decided to give everyone 30 days to remove any keyword stuffing or the use of print technologies that Amazon cannot produce, like gold or diamond or silver or glow in the dark or metallic or things of the sort. So is this a surprise? Is this something that is shocking for anyone? It shouldn't be. And I would like to use this example. Imagine that you had you bought an expensive printer. It doesn't matter, a $20,000 or a $500,000 printer, and you decided to strike a deal with like 100 designers, where they start to list their listings online and make designs and list them online, and they would sell them, and you would produce the art for them and ship it to the customers. But because you're a kind person, you decided, you know what, guys, to help you out, I'm gonna take a hit on something that is not my fault all the time. I mean, sometimes people could not like the quality of a shirt, then it would be my fault. But sometimes people could be disappointed with the design. But I'm gonna strike a deal with you. I will take all returns and assume the whole loss on returns. So while you started doing that, let's say, for example, 90 people out of the 100 started making cool designs and selling them. You were getting like expected some returns, and you were eating up that cost. But then while looking at some of your returns, you realize that, and reading some of the reviews, you realize that some of the customers were returning some shirts not because of the quality or the print, but they were returning them because the other 10 out of 100 designers you struck a deal with decided to give people false promises in their listings. When they say this is gold, this is a glow in the dark, this is metallic, this is that, then the customers, they would buy the shirts expecting that the shirt will be as listed. But when they find that the shirt, the gold shirt is just a flat yellow, and the metallic shirt is just different layers of gray and white, or brown and white, the customers get really disappointed that they return the shirt, and then you're eating up that cost. If you own that print house, then you will do something about it. And I'm pretty sure what you will do is that you will just cut off those 10 people that are giving you the problem and causing you to lose money. But thankfully, Merged by Amazon has not decided to do that, even though they had that in the policy to start with. They decided to give everyone a chance, and they said, listen, guys, I'm going to give you 30 days to fix all this mess that you're causing me. Please remove all these glows and metallics and golds and diamonds and gems and stuff from your shirts and sequins and stuff. And after 30 days, then I'm going to start taking down the shirts. Amazon is not even threatening that they're going to start closing the accounts. They're actually telling me they're going to start taking down the shirts. And that is extra work for them. So if you own the print house, you'll understand. So sometimes to understand something, you have to put yourself in the other party's shoes. And in this case, Amazon is eating up a big loss because of people's false promises. And to give you an idea, let's look up glow in the dark t-shirt classic hem. Okay, that should single out the merch by Amazon shirts. And let's see what we have here. And as you guys know, whatever the number of results we're gonna get, it's going to be a lot less than the actual number. Here it says 255, but you guys probably all know by now that if we get to page 10, this number is gonna get to a much larger number. So let's look at this. A Glow Party. People, when they buy shirts for Glow Party, they're buying shirts that have like a special paint, a special type of ink that glows well in the dark. If you go in the black light or stuff, this stuff is not supposed to glow. This shirt does not glow in the dark. This shirt does not glow in the dark. This is he made it look like I forgot what that molecule is called. There is a molecule that's pretty rare on our planet that makes that glow in the dark effect that you have on your old dial watches. And so this is the same color they use, and it's supposed to glow, but it's not. Let's look at all these designs. Look at this. Look at the 3-star rating. Look at the 2.5-star rating. Can you guys assume? You guys know how long it takes to get a rating. I mean, I have shirts that sold over 100 times and still don't even have a single rating. I mean, I also have shirts, but in order to get 6 ratings, this shirt must have sold a lot, and it sold on a promise that this is a Glow Party shirt, which is a glow in the dark shirt, and it's not. You buy the shirt, you wear it, you go in a Glow Party under the black light, and this shirt is gonna do nothing. It's not going to glow. It's just gonna look like dull colors, and this is gonna be disappointing to the customers. So they come back to Amazon disappointed from whatever party or birthday party they took their kids to, and they go back and they write a review, and this will explain why the ratings are low. Look at all these shirts. Look, another 2.5 star, over 3 rating. So somebody left a 5 star. Maybe this person didn't need it to glow. Maybe it just liked the phrase. But the other rating left. The other 2 ratings left a 1-star review, and I'm pretty sure if we go and click on them, we're gonna find out why they left a 1-star review, and it's just obvious. This one is a 1.5-star review, 1 2 stars, and 2 ratings for 1 star. This one is 2.5-star reviews again. 1 5-star. This person who left a 5-star, believe me, they only left a 5-star because they didn't care. They didn't intend to use the shirt in the glow in the dark party. But the person that intended to, they left, was 2 of them that left a review of 1 star. So I mean, looking at there's another 1 star. What do you think happened with these people? You think they leave 1 star and they go about their business? No. What they do is that they take the shirt, they put it back in an envelope, and they send it back to Amazon. Now with returns, Amazon, you guys know, had found a solution where they would take those shirts and sell them at discount. But Amazon is smarter than that. They're not gonna sell. They're gonna do that with the shirt that doesn't have any problem with it. That somebody bought the wrong size or something. But a shirt that was already worn to a glow party, it's gonna show a sign. I mean, a shirt, once you wear it, it doesn't look new anymore. And so Amazon cannot sell those shirts. Plus, they cannot sell them because they cannot sell the problem again. They cannot create another disappointed customers. Amazon works so hard to increase the number of their prime customers, and if this shirt just caused some people to be upset, amongst other reasons and other sellers, then Amazon might lose that customer for good. And if you're the reason that Amazon is going to lose customers, then Amazon would rather lose you. There's another one with 9 ratings and 2.5 stars. So when you look at this, you figure why Amazon would keep pulling up with this stuff. Okay, now let's look at the gold effect. Let's see how the gold effect looks with the real gold printed t-shirt. Okay, so this is what it looks like. When you have a real gold paint, then the gold has different reflections. It's like the color is live. The more you move, the shading changes between white and bright yellow. You see the white, the bright yellow, the bronze, to the gold and the dark brown. And then look, when I look at another image, then the reflection would look different. You see how the reflection moved compared to the first image. You see, so this is what gold is. This is what the customer is expecting. Okay, so this is a live color. It moves as you move. Okay, it's not gonna move now because we're on a still image, but as the person watching the shirt or the person wearing the shirt moves, the color is live. It moves. Now let's look at a shirt where it's not live. It says that it's gold, but it's not gold. Okay. Okay, you see this in an image. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. It looks even better than the first one. And the customer thinks like, wow, this shirt is amazing. They think there is some kind of sequence in here. There's some kind of glitter. That there is some kind of shine as you move. They think that the color is live, but they get really disappointed when they get the shirt. They realize that all this stuff is just bunch of yellow and white dots. They don't move. They're not alive. They're dead. The color is dead. Okay, so the customer gets disappointed. And then what they do? Let's read the review. Let's see what the customer says. Okay, you see there is a 2-star review. It says it wasn't as shiny as expected. It was a little dull. It was a little dull to me, but at the same time, it looked like the image. Okay, so the customer is saying, okay, maybe you didn't cheat me. It looked like the image. The shirt did look like the image, but it looked like that image no matter where you looked at it from. Okay, so I returned it, and this is the problem right here. Okay, they left 2 stars because they're giving you the benefit of the doubt because maybe it looked like the image. But here is what Amazon doesn't want. Not only because now they have a shirt that they can't, they lost money on return. They paid for the shipping both ways without making any sales, and now they have a shirt that they can't sell. But Kelly right here is mad. She's gonna be angry if this happens. It happens to a lot of people. Then a lot of people will stop buying at least t-shirts from Amazon. Some of them will just judge Amazon altogether and would say, you know what, I better go buy the name brand stuff. I tried that Amazon crap and it just doesn't work. Okay, just a bunch of false promises. Every time I think I'm happy with something I buy from Amazon, then I find out that I'm screwed, and I was tricked. So I'm tired of dealing with this stuff. If I want something, I'll just pay a little more money and go buy it from a website I can trust. So if you're doing this stuff, you're causing Amazon to lose trust with customers. So Amazon is giving us a chance to fix our listings. We have 30 days. I think that's enough time to go over the listings and remove. I wouldn't say just remove the words, guys. Remove all the listings. Like if you just decide that you're gonna go and change the title of the shirt, change gold, glitter, gold, remove these 2 words and just remove them all together or replace them by other words. This is not gonna fix the problem. Okay, the problem is not in the keywords. The problem is in the listing. And Amazon, they cannot know what's in the listing. They can know what's in the keywords. So that's why they're attacking the keywords. Okay, but if you're gonna trick them and just remove the keywords and leave the same listing, then you're not fixing the problem. You're just hiding it. You're just covering it. Okay, so let's not do that, guys. I hope this video would have helped you understand the new update. Please don't be upset. I know a lot of people fell into this trap.